Hello to everyone guys, this is a new video, and in this new video we will see the creation of the start of the game. So I'm making the start so that it will show the day one and then the amount of money that we have every single day, every single start. So to do this I use the function don't destroy unload, and this function don't destroy the actual stats handler that counts the day. And yeah, this is just all the actual script that I've made, and you can see how I made it. So I found the stats handler, and if it's already exists, I destroy it because I don't need it. And this is just all. So I'm making this type of video, very simple video, because I don't have so much time in this moment to make videos, and I need to make a lot of videos because in a short while I will not have time to register because I don't have the computer in a physical sense. So I'm making all this little update on the game, and at the end I will make a final devlog of this update, and maybe I will finish the game so that you can see all the progress that I've made during the entire game and the entire this is a 2-week period, and I need to make videos for like from now to the half of September maybe. And okay, this is not easy. So I need to have videos that are easy to do and very fast. I used in the beginning the two strings to store the day and money variable, but then I decided to go for an int, construct the string when I need to change the actual text. So this is just all. The final. Oh, I'm trying to cast the int as a string, and I'm so stupid doing this because there is a function that is called toString that converts the int to string, because you can cast in an implicit way this this type of variable. So this is all. I get money from the player prefs. Now the value will be 0 because there is not a made money kind of things, but when I will play the game, the money will be a lot more. So in the next video I will do the animation.